All right, so here we are. We made it inside of this little duplex that we got here. So I wanted to record this video specifically for the friend who brought this to me, just to show you guys how well this works, right? So my friend Fernando went out driving for dollars. That's all I told him to do, is just to go drive for dollars, and he picked his own marketing method that he wanted to perfect. So he didn't have text messaging, he didn't have cold calling. He basically just started letter writing. And he started letter writing and mailing out mailers every single day. This guy was out here hustling since probably, I think it's December. Yeah, because me and him were supposed to meet up in December. So he started in December, drove around, and he went driving for dollars like crazy, doing it every single weekend on his spare time, on his days off, okay? Talk about real hustle, and landed this deal right here. So this deal, this is a almost $20,000 assignment fee right here. This is nice, man. This is probably a great first deal, number one. Number two, you know, it just shows that consistency, hard work pays off, even when you least expect it. So this is all a game of chance, in case you guys don't know this already. And don't think that this was like the first person he talked to and they said, yeah, you know, I want to sell. He had multiple people that he talked to beforehand that it either wasn't a deal, they weren't motivated enough, or they just, you know, they didn't really have any real want to sell. They just wanted one of those, you know, strike oil rich and get rich fast, which, you know, never happens, but yeah, that's the way it is. But this place is nice, you know. This unit is in decent shape. It's a 1-1 on each side. It could be a 2-1 once completed. The guys who are buying this are gonna knock all these walls down and basically, you know, turn it into a 2-1. And it definitely has enough space, because number one, this kitchen area is too big, laundry area is too big. So they would probably eat some of this space up for the second bedroom, which more than enough. And then, you know, you got this large living room. Bathroom is in an awkward position. I think that they could seriously squeeze out some more space. We'll go into the next unit next door real quick before I fall here. And this unit is stripped already. So no real framing. This looks like this is probably like a load bearing wall. That's why they left it. But they stripped out everything. Like, it's all the way down to the bone. This looks like this is probably where the bedroom is, because it's probably reverse layout from the other side. But again, what I would do, in my opinion, of course, they would repurpose this space right here, probably turn this into the first bedroom. You got some room for the second bedroom, you can just extend this over. You got your bathroom here, which your bathroom would probably have 2 doors. And then you got some of your living room. You can see where it was a 2-bedroom on each side, and it looks like somebody did something different here. But yeah, it got some free drywall. It comes with this property. But yeah, there's a second bedroom right here. But it looks like, I don't know what happened, but yeah. Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure they can work it out. The guys who are buying it, they're very, very, very versed in construction, remodeling. My opinion, I would love to take something like this down, but these type of projects just take too long. My opinion, you know, not saying that you can't do it, it's just the amount of time that I would spend on this, it's not for me. I'm more into, I want to be more into new construction. That's my goal for the next year, is more new construction, smaller rehabs, because these full guts like this, the guy who's buying it, that's all he does for a living, is he does full gut renovations, and he is the one working on these projects as well as his team. So I mean, it works out great for him, just not for me, but still not bad, right? So all in all, congratulations to Fernando. We close probably Monday or Tuesday of next week. So in about 5 to 6 days. Title is clean, buyers are legit. We know that this is gonna close. Me and him JV'd on this for a 50-50 split. It's gonna be, you know, great first deal, way better than mine. My first deal I made 1,200 bucks, but again, I wasn't teaming up with anybody experienced. I was only using my own intuition, knowledge, just trying to learn the business. And Fernando did nothing crazy, okay? I want you to believe in yourselves. He literally just applied. He wants to give me some credit for it, and I appreciate it, but trust me, it was nothing from me that helped him tremendously. I'm over here stepping on some old flooring. But what made Fernando's journey work is he applied himself. He hustled even when he wasn't getting results. He was talking to people, even though it gets discouraging talking to so many people and nothing works out. He just kept it going, man. He just kept rolling hard. You know, some people get tired after a couple of days and be like, you know, this doesn't work. He's been doing this for what? We're at the end of March, so April 1st is next week. So for 4 months hustling, okay? 4 months. And even to today, you know, I mean, just yesterday he was hitting me up about another deal that he was trying to make work. Unfortunate for him, it's a deal I already had under contract and the lady was crazy. But regardless of that, he's still gonna keep it pumping, keep it going. Why? Because here's the end result right here. You know, we have a property, clearly distressed, needs some work, needs some help. The seller, he has actually 3 more properties on this block, or 2 more properties, something like that. And, you know, he needed help. He's going through some things right now in his life. He couldn't deal with this property in particular. And you can see, you know, it needs work. It needs a lot of work. This is not something that, you know, on a weekend you can bust this out, you know, change some doorknobs and paint it. You know, it's a full gut. But he went out, he looked for these properties, he found it, and he provided a solution for the seller. That's really what it comes down to. So if you're out there hustling right now and you feel like nothing's working out, keep going. Keep going, keep looking for properties. You got to put yourself in front of the right people, like Fernando did. He put himself in front of a distressed seller. This guy didn't have a for sale sign outside. It wasn't on the MLS. It didn't come from magic, luck, or anything else other than, hey, you know, my name's Fernando. Are you looking to sell this property? Because, you know, I was interested in buying it. And you just have to be at the right place at the right time. That's how all my deals work out, guys. This is every single solitary deal comes from just putting myself in front of distressed property owners. That's it. I'm not doing anything else. I don't have any magic potions or scripts or lines. No fancy footwork when it comes to like sales tactics or anything like that. We just tell people straight out, like, hey man, do you want to sell? Yes or no? Great. You want to sell? Hey, here's what I can do for you. If you're interested, let me know. If you're not, hey man, here are some other options that you can use too, in case you don't want to use me. I tell people straight up, I'm not your best option. Up front. People might be like, why would you ever say that you're not the best option? I'm not, I'm for real. I am the fast money option. If you're looking for fast money, that's me. If you're looking for the most money, that's not me, okay? And I tell people straight up, you guys think that I'm out here telling them lies like, you know what? If you don't sell to me, there's nobody that's gonna buy it. And I'm like, nah, man. List this. You want maximum value for this property? List it on the MLS. List it on the MLS, it'll fly. But the reality is that most people don't want to deal with the MLS. They don't want to deal with realtors. They don't want to deal with the headaches that come with selling it on the MLS. They want a straight cash offer directly from, you know, somebody who's gonna actually follow through with it. They don't want to bounce around. They don't want to deal with all the headaches and the ups and downs. So that's why we deal with these properties. Either I'm gonna buy it or one of my partners. Simple as that, okay? But just wanted to show you guys this great, deal, and tell you guys, hey, bring me your deals. We can JV on deals like this. If you're anywhere in the Charlotte metro area, within an hour, 2 hours, hit me up, man. I love finding real deals like this and making them work, because we make great money, number one, and you gain experience. If you're a new wholesaler, just go out there, hustle. Don't worry about buyers. Link up with real wholesalers and guys that are actually doing this business, and we can work something out. This great example right here. Just wanted to congratulate Fernando. Congratulations, man. I literally did this video just for you, to show a milestone in your own life, and to have this on record for yourself, right? This is my dedicated to Fernando video. But yeah, this is a great property though, man. I'm really excited. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like in about 3-4 months. The cool thing about this property, this is the real cool thing, is that through some, want to make sure I don't get electrocuted here, through some really cool tactics, there's a vacant lot right next door that comes with this property. So we're able to subdivide it, and because of some different building codes, again, I'm not trying to get electrocuted. I don't know if these wires are live, and I don't want to find out. Comes with a lot, so the guy who's gonna rent out of this, he's gonna also build a new house right next door. So it's an awesome deal. But appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys, got some encouragement out of this, got some value out of this, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog.